There is question about using synthetic membrane. Usually the temperature of the receptor phase and membrane surface is very similar. Is not enough to measure only the receptor phase. So, Hiren, can you able to take this question?
Sure. Thank you, sir, for the question. So my understanding from the draft PSU of cyclohydrin, the recommendation is to measure the surface membrane temperature, and we recommend to have the surface membrane temperature 32 degrees Celsius per plus or minus 1 degree Celsius. Now, what is my interpretation from the recommendation that, as a part of your apparatus qualification, you have to provide the data by so if you can do the hourly measurement and assure that by keeping 33 or 34 degrees Celsius of the receptor compartment, you can maintain 4 to 6 hours surface temperature 32 degrees Celsius, that is sufficient as a part of your apparatus qualification. Now, for the actual IVRT study, you don't have a non-dose cell. So our recommendation is not to measure the temperature throughout the study, as long as you measure the temperature is the membrane surface temperature is 32 plus or minus 1 range prior to dosing. That is sufficient, provided there is adequate apparatus qualification data. So what is the question is the receptor compartment temperature and the membrane surface temperature is similar? I mean, if you have that data, just please submit in the submission, and that is sufficient for the your rest of the studies.